Welcome to Webstyle Plus. In this video, I will show you how to download the YouTube app directly to your PC using a web browser. To do that, open youtube.com in Chrome web browser. Click the three dots icon in the top right corner of Chrome. In Brave browser, it is three lines icon. Okay, hover over Cast, Save and Share option. Under Save, click Install YouTube. Web browser will prompt you to install the app. Click Install. After confirming, the YouTube app will open in its own window, just like a native desktop application. After installation, you can access YouTube from your desktop by clicking an icon. Now it is super easy to open YouTube anytime without going through your web browser. This method gives you a clean app-like experience for watching your favorite videos on YouTube. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.